This is the brief on the transformative power of Keystone Habits. Let's look at the amazing story of Lisa Allen from The Power of Habit, a woman who gently overcame severe debt, obesity, and addiction, not by trying to fix her whole world at once, but by shifting just one single behavior. First, we see this really beautiful ripple effect. Well, Lisa's journey started in Cairo after a very sad divorce, and instead of fixing everything, she set a special goal to track the desert, which meant she just had to quit smoking. Think of this like a single heavy domino. Once she gently pushed over that smoking domino, all her other struggles, like eating and sleeping poorly, naturally toppled right alongside it. Second, scientists actually looked at her brain and discovered that habits are overwritten, not erased. They found her old impulses to smoke were still hiding in there, but her new patterns of discipline and marathon training had grown much stronger, gracefully taking over. So does this mean we never actually delete our bad habits, but simply learn to overpower them with better ones? Finally, we see how a conscious choice becomes totally automatic. Lisa proved that by understanding the habit loop, the cue, the routine, and the reward. Her really hard choices eventually turned into an effortless default setting. You don't ever need to fix your entire life all at once. Mastering just one central habit creates the wonderful momentum for total personal transformation.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Suverni Labs. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.